boys and girls, this is Mr. Woods, and today we're going to be working on Lesson 7.1. We're going to start on page 165. This is where we're going to be working on subtraction. So get your minds into, taking things away to find an answer. So let's take a look at this. One of the things that you may want to have are your 10 rods and your 1 blocks and such. Remember, I showed you those. Or you can just do it on paper like I'm doing it here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to have something here, and I'm going to show you this. So let's take a look. I want to underline important information in this word problem, and then we're going to transfer that information down here. First, let's read through it one time. There are 34 art projects in a contest. There are 9 paintings. The rest are drawings. How many art projects are drawings? Oh. Well, let's go back, let's underline or circle important information. There are 34 art projects. Oh, that's the whole. That is the whole right there. That is everything that you have. H-O-L-E, whole, in a contest. There are 9 paintings, okay? There are 9 paintings. The rest are drawings. I'm going to underline that. How many art projects are drawings? So I'm going to say, how many are drawings? Well, first we need to put down into something where I'm going to use 10 rods. So I'm going to say, well, there's 34 to start with. So 1 10, 2 10s, 3 10s, because that's that 34. I'm going to put that up here, 34. Okay. And then, so there's 34, and I need 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm going to say minus 9 equals something. Well, we have 34 here, but we only have 4 ones, and we're taking away 9 ones. How do we do that? Well, you take one of these 10 rods here and have it divided into 10 ones. Let's see how that looks. Okay, so I have 1, 2 10s, and then this third 10, I'm going to make it into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then I still have these 4 here. And then there's 1, 2, 3, 4. So they're all over the place. Try to use dots however you can make it so that it can make sense. I want to subtract 9 ones from here, because that's that ones. There's that 9 ones right here. What I can do is come over here. I know this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, see how I just crossed them out? Now I can add up the 10s here. So I have 1 10, 2 10s. That's equal to, put that here. And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. So it's 25. I hope you can see that, but I want you to do it on your own too. So get out your 10 rods, or using a 10 frame, however you want to do it, or the pictures that you can draw to make it so that it makes sense to you. I'm going to go to page 166. Well, let's take a look at this again. So here are some ways to find 34 minus 9. So notice they have a number line, but they start at 9, okay? And then they did a hop to make a 10. So you made that 10. Had to make 30, because there's that 34 right there. There's that 3 10s, or 3 10s here. So they added 20. And then they made another hop to add in those 4 ones there. So let's take a look at this. It says go to the next 10. 9 plus, hold on a second. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Add to get to 30. So we have this 10 here. We remember, see where we added that 1? 10. So 1 10 plus 2 tens is equal to 3 tens, which is 30. So that's going to be 20. Okay. And then how did we get to 34? Well, you have 0 ones, and you need to add 4 ones to get 34. So 30 plus 4 is equal to 34. So it says here, total the jumps. It's not 1, 2, 3. It's 1 plus 20, that's 21, plus 4, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So that's, or we can just add it all up here. You know what? I'm gonna redo this real quick here. I want to show you something. This is something that I should have done in the beginning. Is to see, I even make mistakes, and it's okay. So I'm going to have a ones column here. There's that 1. There's a 10 and a ones. So see, I'm lining it up, and then I have my 4 here, 4 ones. So 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 4 is 5. And then I have 0 tens, 2 tens, 0 tens, so that's 25. There we go. So what we can do is say 9 plus 25 is equal to 34. Now, let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's check it out. So I have 20. Let's start with 25, the larger number, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. See how we verified? So therefore, 34 minus 9 is equal to 25. Notice I have a number bond over here. What I can do is I can say, well, what's the whole? That whole right here. Remember I showed you, I said that is the whole, W-H-O-L-E. So the whole in a number bond, I'm just going to do a W right here, is 34. Okay, and then I have 25. And 9. Now, that's a part, and this is a part. But look at this. We have made a 10. So let's say it was this was 10. So 10 plus 25 is 35, but it's actually a 9. So that makes, you take away 1, so 35 minus 1 is 34. There's multiple ways to get your answers. Okay? Let's take a look at the next page here. Oh, so if we're looking again we have that whole equals 34. Okay. We have 25, right? It says subtract to make a 10. So we want to make a 10. So we have 34, so 9, right? So 9 equals 5 plus 4, and it also equals 4 plus 5. Right? It doesn't matter which way that we add those numbers together, we're still going to get 9. So it says subtract 4 first. So we're trying to make a 10 here, right? So we have 34 minus 4, okay, right here, is going to make 30, and then 30 minus 5 is equal to 25. So therefore, because we subtracted this right here is 9, is 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, because this here is equal to 25. Okay. Let's go on to page 167. So this is where you need to think about it. I want you to look in the book and come up with things here. But I shall read this to you. Think about what you know about two-digit numbers. Fill in each box. Use words, numbers, and pictures. Show as many ideas as you can. So I'm going to fill in the first box for you. But just with one thing here, I want you to add something else to it. So I said, what is it? It's a two-digit number. So it has 2 digits, a 2 and a 5. You would write down It has two digits, a 10 and a 1s. Then you keep on going. What I know about it, and then you can have examples down here for the digits. Okay? Then let's take a look at page 168. I want you to solve this problem. There are 22 chairs in the classroom. 7 of the chairs are made of wood. The rest are plastic. How many chairs are plastic? Okay, I'm going to reread this. I'm going to underline or circle important information. There are 22 chairs. I'm going to circle that in the classroom. 7 of the chairs, so 7 of the chairs are made of wood. The rest are plastic. Okay, so I'm going to underline are made of wood. And I'm going to say the rest are plastic. And then it comes down here. How many chairs are plastic? So you're trying to find out how, there's 22 in all. 7 of them are made of wood. How many chairs are made of plastic? You need to write the equation. So remember, this is the whole. W-H-O-L-E. Maybe create a number bond. Remember? Boom, boom, boom. Remember, this is the whole, and these are the parts. That might help you figure this one out. And then check your answer. I want you to do another way to find out, to validate, to verify your answer. And that's it for Lesson 7, Session 1.